Another video from Garage Box and Bills, my guys. You watched the last video, you know what's about to happen in this one. After this video, I can't promise you too much with the 240. We need to get the G35 on the road. It's summer. Our rainy season is slowly coming down, which means I'm gonna be driving that car. You know, G35s don't like it wet if you drive it hard. But anyway, I am going to go ahead and pull this apart. Exducer, impeller, intake, you want to call it that. And also, I'm not really going to pull this apart too much. I'm going to spend as much time as I need cleaning to get all this oxidation off. Tape these up, inject the holes, so I can prime them with VHT primer, and VHT is very high temperature paint, and get them ready, primed and painted, throw them back on the car. That is the plan for this video. So sit back, get your popcorn, and watch. I have very minimal tools that I'm using, and we're gonna be using these wire wheels. Wire wheels. Now, I'm going to wire wheel the exducer exhaust housing because I need more small brushes to finish cleaning this up. I'm gonna wait till I get them later. You can see in here, right up in there, there's a lot of rust where the bolts are. Can't take these bolts out. I don't want to mess with the bearings or the balance of the propeller. But what I will do is go ahead and tape up the back here. Put that on there. Blade, cut that out. Alright, once I get some more of these small brushes tonight on the way home, I'll come in tomorrow, first clean this up, take the connectors off for the oil drain and feed the turbo itself, and then we can finish taping off and primer. I'll put this to the side for now. Now for the big boy. This is what it's looking like so far. Using this vacuum hose to have a resting place for the masking tip. Let's see if it works. It should. Keyword should. I am patient. I wanted to get to rush it though. There's a nice little breeze. Oh yes. Now it's doing double work. That's what I'm gonna do. The whole reason everything was taken apart was mainly this right here. This and the rust. And also this oxidation crap. It has to go. I'm gonna get the, have some bits here that I used when I was working on the G35 intake manifold. I can get it to open. That I'm going to use to eat down spot I have marked here. We're gonna pretend this is a stud in the head. Let's see what transpires here. Somewhat, but now I'm seeing that the coolant passage thing here is in the way. So it's short 13. And an extension. As long as I get a wobble extension, we should be fine. Yeah. As long as we have that, we should be good. So the socket actually gets around nut before when it never used to. Ladies and gentlemen, prep work is done. I'm gonna close this out here because every time I come in, literally took me, hey, it's been what, 3 weeks working on this? Yeah, about 3 weeks to get to this point. And with good reason. We stay busy. So, can't complain. But I'm gonna end this out here, and next video you guys see is the process in priming and painting.